Happy Vlogmas Day! What day is it? 7! Vlogmas Day 7. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is night outside. I had a babysitting gig that I needed to do. Oh, this is horrible writing, sorry. So I had a babysitting gig that I needed to go do, and I just got back home, and then I remembered that I needed to film a video for Vlogmas. So I figured that tonight I would just do my nighttime routine. It's not really Christmassy, but like Christmas nighttime routine. I don't know. But that's what we're gonna do because I'm filming at night. So Vlogmas Day 7. First thing I gotta do is set you guys up on my little tripod thingamajigger over here. Whoa! It's not broken. It moves like that. So let me get you guys set up. There we go, that's better. First thing we're gonna do is turn on all of our Christmas lights. Alright, so I'm feeling like for supper tonight, I want some veggie pizza. With my little bowl of oranges, which isn't this like so cute? It like so has a little thing on it, but I just kind of put it all in my little white bowl here. But move my little bowl of oranges. Okay. Okay. Got my little toaster oven out now. Wow, it looks so tiny on camera, but this thing is actually pretty huge. Oh, we're good. We're good. So with Vlogmas, this is kind of like a love-hate relationship with me because there's days like today where I come home and I'm ready just to like put on a movie, go to bed, but then I'm like, oh, I need to film a video, which I mean, it's fine, but it's kind of like, I don't know, it's love-hate. Because I love doing it, but in the same breath, I'm like, I wish I didn't have to film today. It was just a long day, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. Some broccoli cauliflower right here. And then got me some pepper jack cheese. My pizza crust. This is actually a very simple and easy meal to do. It literally, like in my little toaster oven thing, it literally takes only like 7 minutes to cook, and it makes the crust super crunchy, which I love. So if you want it like less than that, you can do it even less than that. But pretty much the prep work is what takes a while to do. But oh, and I forgot, instead of using pizza sauce, I use mayo. Might sound weird, but it tastes delicious. Trust me, don't knock it till you try it. I mean, honestly. Enjoy this little B-roll of me creating veggie pizza. Delicious. Oh, I'm so excited. And there's only 3 minutes left. So while I'm waiting for that to cook, I just washed all of my dishes, and then I realized that I could have filmed that. My brain's just not here. Like I said, I'm very tired tonight. So, yeah. And it's not like every night that I cook dinner for myself. Normally, I'll just get like a bowl of cereal or I'll just eat some leftovers that I have. But I didn't have anything to eat tonight. So I was like, you know what? Let me add a little bit more content and let me make a pizza because I had all this stuff here and I was like, I was kind of craving it. I kind of was very much craving it. I decided just to make some Veggie Days pizza. Ooh, you see how delicious this looks? I'm so excited. Ow, okay, it's starting to get hot. Woo. Ah, guys, I actually need oven mitts. These don't really do justice. Woo. Ow, hot. Okay, look how delicious. All right, so now all that's left is just seasoning it, and I love to put just tons of Tony's because your girl loves seasoning. So I just sprinkle a good layer on there and garlic powder. I am a sucker for garlic, like garlic on pizza, garlic in my cooking, garlic on my bread, garlic on my mashed potatoes. It's just like, I love garlic so much and it makes this taste so good. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, taste test. That's so good. And did y'all hear that crunch? I'm so happy that I made this. Alright, now let's go watch some Vlogmas videos. And in case you guys are wondering, I am going to finish this entire pizza. Alright, so I just got finished watching a couple of movies and Vlogmas videos and a lot of stuff, and now it is late. Now it is time to get ready for bed. So I'm just going to pull my hair up. I need to wash my face. So I know I showed this in yesterday's video, but I love using this face wash from Neutrogena. This is like my all-time favorite skincare product, but sometimes I use my little Foreo like I showed y'all yesterday, just if I want to give it like a good scrub, but the majority of the time I just do like a quick little rinse, get all the makeup off. Alright, and I don't know if you guys know this, but if you use a fresh new washcloth every time to dry your skin, it will help with breakouts. I dealt with acne a lot growing up, so I learned a few tips and tricks. If you just use a regular towel that's just hanging up in your bathroom that you use to dry off with, or if you use the same washcloth night and night again, it has just a whole bunch of bacteria on it. And also patting your face dry instead of rubbing it really helps the pigment in your skin. I think that's what it's called. Alright, so now that that is done, now I'm going to brush my teeth. And I have been loving using this toothpaste. It's like a charcoal and a regular toothpaste mixed, so that it doesn't like have black everywhere like a normal charcoal toothpaste would, but it helps brighten and whiten your teeth. And voila. So now all that's left is for me just to take a quickie shower, get changed for bed, and then go to bed. So I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for joining me in my little nighttime routine. It's pretty much what I've been up to every night whenever I get home from work. So you know. As always, I love each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all are having a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!